So I've got a distorted kick. And I can hear it's got this kind of double doo, doo, doo. I don't really like it. I like the tonality of it and I like the colour of it, and I think that would really work. But the kick, sometimes what happens is people in sample packs get two kicks. And what happens is sometimes there's a bit of a gap between the top kick and the bottom kick, and you get that doo, doo, doo. I don't want that. I want doo, 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 doo. But also they're in different keys, so they go doo 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 doo, kind of, and it's that discordant thing that sometimes I don't really like if they're not in the same key. And I like everything to be in the same key. I'm going to go back to gain staging for mastering. I want my tracks to be as loud as possible, especially the club tracks, and you do that by putting less in a track. So I've got one kick, you know, as opposed to one kick that's made up of two kicks in different chords. That's going to take up less numbers in the mix. It's going to take less numbers and less things that are going to create energy, you know, to trigger the compressor or the limiter. But they sound louder than these. And that's what you're looking for. And we go into that in my gain stage clipping compression mastering course. But today is about the relationship between the kick and the bass and how you choose a kick.